What if your work could run without you? Not faster, not easier. Completely automated. Emails answered, tasks organized, content created while you sleep. Today, I am going to show you how I built a fully automated AI workflow from scratch and why most people are doing it completely wrong. Because automation isn't about tools, it's about systems. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to build one. Section 1. The problem with most AI workflows: most people use AI like this. They open AI, ask a question, get an answer, then repeat, over, and over, and over. That's not automation. That's just faster manual work. Real automation means AI talks to AI. Tasks trigger other tasks. Outputs become inputs. And suddenly, you're not doing the work anymore. The system is. But when I tried building this for the first time, it failed completely. And the reason why surprised me. Section 2. The first mistake everyone makes: most people start with tools. They search for things like best AI automation tools, best productivity AI, best AI workflow apps, but tools don't create automation. Triggers do. A trigger is the moment something starts. For example, a new email arrives, a file is uploaded, a task is added. That single event can launch an entire AI chain reaction. Here's a simple example. Email arrives. AI summarizes it. Another AI decides the priority. Another AI schedules the task. Another AI drafts the reply, all automatically. And that's just the beginning. Because once you understand triggers, you can build something much bigger. Section 3. The 4 layers of an automated AI workflow. Every automated AI system has 4 layers. Miss one, and the whole system breaks. Layer 1. Capture: this is where information enters your system. Examples: emails, notes, voice memos, documents, ideas. AI collects everything into one place. Nothing gets lost, but capturing information in enough. Because raw information is messy. That's where the next layer begins. Layer 2. Understanding: this is where AI processes the input. It summarizes, categorizes, extracts key information. For example, a meeting transcript becomes action items, decisions, deadlines automatically. No manual sorting. But now you have another problem. You have organized information, but no action. That's where the 3rd layer comes in. Layer 3. Decision: this is where AI decides what happens next. Should this become a task? Should it become a reminder? Should it generate a response? Or should it be ignored? Think of this layer as the brain of the workflow. It routes information to the right place without you thinking about it. And once decisions are made, the final layer activates. Layer 4. Action: this is where automation becomes real. AI creates tasks, writes emails, updates documents, schedules events automatically. No switching apps, no copying and pasting, no mental overhead. And once this layer is active, something strange happens. You stop managing work and start managing systems. But here's the twist. The most powerful automation in a single workflow, it's a network. Section 4. The power of AI workflow chains. Imagine this. You write down an idea. AI turns it into a content outline. Another AI turns it into a script. Another AI generates visuals. Another AI schedules the post. And another AI analyzes performance. One idea becomes a complete content system automatically. This is called workflow chaining, where one AI process triggers another, and another, and another, until the entire process runs itself. But here's the problem. Most people build workflows that are too complicated, and they collapse. So I discovered a rule that changes everything. Section 5. The 3-step rule for automation. Never automate a process with more than 3 steps at first. Start simple. For example, Step 1. Capture a task. Step 2. AI prioritizes it. Step 3. AI schedules it. That's it. Once it works, then expand. Add reporting. Add summaries. Add analytics. Automation should grow like a system, not explode like a project. And when you follow this rule, something interesting happens. Your workflow slowly becomes self-managing. Section 6. What my AI workflow does right now. My AI workflow does things I never expected. It organizes my tasks, plans my workday, summarizes information, drafts content ideas, even highlights the most important task of the day, automatically. And the strange part, it didn't require hundreds of tools, just a few simple connections. Because the real secret to automation isn't complexity. It's clarity, clear triggers, clear actions, clear decisions. But there's one final piece that makes AI workflows truly powerful, and almost nobody talks about it. Final section. The future of AI workflows right now. Most people use AI like a calculator. Ask a question, get an answer. But the future of AI is different. AI won't just respond, it will operate. Entire workflows will run in the background, planning, creating, optimizing, while humans focus on thinking. And the people who learn this skill now won't just work faster, they'll work differently. Because the real power of AI ain't replacing work, it's replacing friction. Closing. Open loop for engagement, so the real question isn't, should you use AI? It's this, what parts of your life should run automatically? Because once you build your first automated workflow, you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. And in the next video, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools that make this system possible. Some of them are surprising, and one of them can replace an entire productivity stack. If you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. Because the age of manual work is ending, and the age of automated thinking is just beginning.